Hi Abdi, this is your news. Now I want to ken fit you think about fit to D in Doric with a word the or Now in my opinion, and fit a D in the articles new is these baith and the. Now ken if you hate a vula for it, you tend to say the. If you just listen to the way that folks speak, ken if you're just following the way that someone would speak, you'd tend to say the. Again, if you hear vula for it, but if you dinner, most of the time you just say but let me know what you think in the comments. What the views say? The views I always just say and if you if it is fit you say, fit's your preferred spelling of it. Fit I've done is I've just gave for E, a letter E for it, because that's fit Gordon Hayes Dean in the Doric Bible, and kind of thought if that's the way he spelled it, and it's good news for a Doric Bible, that's good news for me. But kind of seen other folk do all sorts of things, kind of like IH and kind of there's all sorts of ways of doing it, because kind of it's an it's a kind of IH reflects more the way it's actually said. But I'm really want to ken fit folk think about ken fits the rule about it. I think it's like in French. In formal French, the L apostrophe, like L in apostrophe, for the word the. So it's totally that's a standard formal language, and that's what I think we should do in Doric. And Doric can be a formal language now. And let me know in the comments about it. And like and subscribe to Blue News from here.